Hello guys. So today we are going to explore some really cool iPad tricks that many people don't know. So let's start. Virtual touchpad, also known as virtual trackpad, converts the entire keyboard panel into a blank area where you can swipe to control the cursor like a mouse pointer on a PC. To use this virtual trackpad, you can put two fingers on the screen or do a long press on the space key. When the uh, keys on the keyboard go blank, that means that our trackpad is active. And so to disable, you can lift up your fingers. Let's see. Now here you can see I can use this trackpad as a mouse. Do you know the iPad has a universal search feature? So there is no need to go through pages and pages of apps to find the right one. Spotlight search can find music, videos, contacts, apps, and many more things on your device. And if it will not find something on your device, it will suggest a relevant website. The great thing about Spotlight search is that it searches your entire device, so you can even use it to search for a specific text, message, or email. It even searches your notes. So let's see how it works. You have to swipe down on the middle of your screen. And here, suppose I want to go into accessibility settings. So basically, I can go from here. Suppose I want to know some news. So let's suppose ODI World Cup is going on. So here you can see it suggested me the relevant website. The iPad dock is an area that can store frequently used apps or that you accessed recently. It will save you from having to hunt through multiple screens or folders to find a certain app. You can also use it to more easily multitask by opening two or more apps in slide over split view mode. You can access the dock in a couple of ways. Depending on your current screen, on the home screen, the dock is always visible in the bottom. If you are in a folder or an app and you want to see the dock, swipe up from the bottom and the dock will be visible. Here you can see a vertical border. On the left of this border, there will be frequently used apps, and on the right, you will find recently used apps. To add an app to the dock, hold the app icon and drag it to the frequently used section. And to delete an app nested on the dock, again long press on the app and drag it outside the section. Now jumping to speak selection and speak screen feature. Speak selection gives your iPad the ability to read out selected words or paragraph on a page, and speak screen gives your iPad the ability to read the entire screen. To launch these features, go to settings, then tap accessibility, then tap on spoken content. From here, you can turn on speak selection and speak screen. Now to use it, go to the text you want to read aloud. Now look, this is the selected text, and here we can see we have speak option. So when we will click on this on speak,
The sons of Sod and Hazard fall before the golden calf, and on their knee.
and to use speak screen, Swipe down from the top by two fingers.
Where is my subtle? There, within, ho, face within, sir. He'll come to you by and by, ma'am. That is his fire drake, his lungs, his zephyr.
Split view or split screen, as you will often hear, is probably the most common means of multitasking on the iPad, as it allows you to view two apps side by side. It doesn't work with every app, but it works with most of the apps. First, use it. First, open any app. Now, by swiping up from the bottom, make your dock appear, and now you can hold on any other app and drag it over the screen. Now, here you can see we have two apps side by side. So basically, here it is in slided over the other app. To use it as a split view, you can click on these three dots and choose split view, and you can select left split or right split, and similarly you can adjust the size. Now to close the split view, you can push the divider towards the app you want to close.